Welcome to another session, Genesis Capital. So I'm trying to change my strategy a little bit. I was waiting for a closure above or below the swing highs, and now we're getting it to the downside, um, which this is very likely to close here. Um, and the main reason is I've been. This is the 15 minutes, so it should be the 5 here. So we didn't get any closure between this swing high, this swing low. We got a swept here, but I was looking for a break in either direction to the lows. So um, potentially, if this hits all the way to this swing low, so I'm trying to change my strategy and be more patient, meaning look at higher time frames closures, right? Now this has swept and then failed, so I think there's a high probability for price to continue to go down a lot, at least to the 2500, which that is 25 points. So I'm trying to see if yeah, if there's bulls here. If trading on higher time frames and waiting for confirmations, which I still didn't wait here, um, I'm trying to force myself to take less trades. Now, if I do take less trades, the only thing is just to figure out the sizing on some of these trades, right? To make sure that I don't oversize. So, for example, here, if this thing reverses and pushes another 20 points to the upside with 20 contracts, like I'm pretty much done. So I might just close this here with a $100 drawdown if this continues to push up. So I needed to wait for the true closure below um, before entering. So I jumped the gun. I really thought this was gonna go. So I risked $1,000 in this trade, and I got punished. So now I pretty much have one more trade to make this work. So I'm gonna wait here. Let's see if it happens. One trade, too much size, and likely going to fail this account. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Now this wants to give us a closure below. There's no news, so there's no catalyst. There it is, man. I should have my stop loss higher, but coulda, coulda, woulda. Um, yeah, so I need to start calculating when I am trying to pass these evaluation accounts, calculate the distance and the sizing, so I don't over leverage on one single trade. Because now I'm pretty much stuck with taking another trade or failing the account. So here, I close, got orders, so I'm gonna go long, but yeah, I'm going against the hourly push. Uh, it's likely for it to come down for some orders, and I have to get going here like in 5 minutes. So this thing has to push, really, really push. Like level held, so it swept, came back, retested, held. Now so I have 2,000 trailing drawdown. I am not liking this. I'm gonna get out. So literally one more trade and I'm done. So we waited just to blow the account. But it's all right. Sometimes it goes like this. I have to really go back and yeah, evaluate what is the best way to pass some of these accounts because they kind of right. I was waiting for a break and a closure below that level. It never came, and then I over leverage. So I need to be able to have to save some of the bullets. Um, it is holding here, so I might re-enter on the long. And probably gonna fail this account. If it fails, I'm done for the day. It's gonna be a quick video if this doesn't hold, which is not. And I have $100, $80, $30, and I'm done for the day. Super quick video. So I try to wait. I never got the closure. I didn't execute on what I was looking at. I said, hey, if I don't get a closure below or above the swing low or swing high, um, I'm not gonna trade. And since we got the sweep here, this is when we start to assume and try to get ahead of the price, right? So we got the sweep. I'm like, okay, this sweep should hit um, this level over here that we had, and it failed. It reversed, and it was pushing hard, right? So I was betting on that short to this swing low over here, and it looks like now is going to start potentially going, but after the closure there. So yeah, I mean, lesson learned. We failed the evaluation account. We didn't follow our. I even drew the box here. Like I said, hey, I'm not trading anything inside of here. I waited, and then I jumped the gun. Sometimes you get tired of waiting, right? But didn't get a strong closure of this swing low, like a closure here, price retracing, and then pushing to the downside at least to the 2500. Um, yeah, so now it's going that way. Yeah, that's just what happens. So lesson learned. Um, I don't want to reset the reevaluation account and jump in. I'm gonna take the L, take this loss, reevaluate, recalibrate. I'll do some videos on what I'm thinking of a strategy to pass those. But what I was looking is for the pre-markets to break, pre-market swings to break and trade to the nearest liquidity level. So if it would have broke to the upside, I would have taken this to these highs. If it would have broke here, right, like here, I would have taken it to this side, which is um, right. But now it looks like it wants to go, but because this whole 15 now closed below the body, right? So now it's just starting to move in that direction. So, oh well, lesson learned, and needed to continue to see. And I think it's not about, oh, I'm gonna try to be patient. The reason is why I might not be impatient, right? It is just a wanting to pass the account, of wanting to get another payout, and that is a trick that the mind does. Then I start executing from that desire, from that wanting, and I end up failing. So we ran out of patience and we ended up losing. So we failed the evaluation account. Um, no big deal. Got to show up tomorrow again.